Now on this specific snowblower, it has a Briggs Stratton 9.5 Snow Series, which uses a Champion QC12YC. Now to find the specific spark plug for your model, you can look at the engine model number, model type and code, which on this one is right there on the block. So you'll see on there is a 5-digit 13A137-0004-F1. That's your model type and code that you need to put into a parts diagram website like Parts Tree to get all the diagrams for the model as well as the replacement parts that you need. So the spark plug is located on the left side of the unit when you are operating it. Right here. Right in there. So the first thing you need to do is loosen the choke knob there. So we'll put the screwdriver under here and kind of pry it. Try to not do this when it's really cold, otherwise you could break some plastic. Next, you're going to want to remove these two 5/16 bolts. That's what this model uses. Yours may be different. And then remove this console. Next, you have access to the spark plug. So we're going to remove the spark plug wire there and then remove the spark plug. This is a 5/8 inch spark plug socket I'm using, and you want to make sure that this area is all clean. Maybe give it a few blows, wipe it out, which I've already done, just to make sure there's no dirt that's going to fall into this cylinder. And you're just going to remove the spark plug. Take your new spark plug and make sure it is gapped correctly. They're usually pretty close from the factory, but I like to check every spark plug I put in on these Champions QC12YC, RC12YC, which is for the standard lawnmowers like the Kohler Courages and Briggs Stratton Intex. What you're gonna put the gap at is 30 thousandths of an inch. 30 thousandths. You can use a feeler gauge or spark plug gapping tool just to make sure it's good. Then we're going to install it here. Don't use an impact or any power tool for this because it can be fragile with the ceramic and stuff like that. So I'm going to thread it in. And the torque spec is anywhere from 15 to 20, 22 foot-pounds depending on your engine. This is a small engine with a little aluminum head there, so I'm just going to do maybe 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall your spark plug wire, the console, make sure the wiring, everything's hooked up there, primer line, and get these two bolts started. Get that choke shaft in its place. And just tighten them down snug. You don't need that much torque. Just snug them up. And reinstall your choke knob. And that's all there is to changing the spark plug on the 2-stage snowblower with the Briggs & Stratton Snow Series engine.